Welcome back, Illini, to another episode of Kale Yes, McKinley's very own cooking channel. And today I'm going to showcase to you a sheet pan recipe with chicken thighs and Brussels sprouts, which is a great wintertime veggie. We're going to throw this on the sheet pan. It's going to be simple, it's going to be easy and quick, and minimal dishes, which I know my college students love. So let's start by getting our chicken ready to go. You're going to want to trim the edges of the chicken, removing some of the extra skin. We're then going to want to place those chicken thighs on a sheet pan. After dealing with this meat, go ahead and clean your cutting board. We're going to drizzle olive oil over the chicken. We're going to do a light sprinkling of rosemary, salt, pepper, oregano, and thyme. We then want to rub in the spices and the olive oil to make sure the chicken is all coated. Let's go ahead and sanitize our workspace by cleaning up anything that could have been contaminated with chicken. Chop the ends off and then into fourths. Dice your onion. Go ahead and chop your bacon. Anytime we have touched meat, we're going to go ahead and wash our hands, adding the onion and the bacon on top of the Brussels sprouts. Drizzle over olive oil, some salt, pepper, and garlic. We're going to place that into the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Check on your Brussels sprouts at about 20 minutes to see if they are ready. These tend to be ready before the chicken. We will go ahead and cook that chicken for 10 more minutes at 400 degrees. You can now pull the chicken from the oven. The best way to know that your chicken is done is to just go ahead and cut into it. As you can see here, there is no pink, slimy looking meat. The meat is white and it looks done. All right, you guys, this recipe is sure to please. It's really gonna help increase your vegetable consumption, and who doesn't like vegetables with a side of bacon? No one. Thank you guys so much for sticking around of another episode of Kale Yes. If you're struggling with anything revolved around food and nutrition, be sure to book a one-on-one appointment with a McKinley dietitian. And if you want to learn how to cook some more tasty recipes, sign up for a class at the Instructional Kitchen at Campus Recreation.